Guys, this is the Conspiracy Mechanic here, and I'm going to show you how to fix your 2015 Ford Escape, or I think it's 2013 through 2017 Ford Escape. The shifter doesn't work. It says it's in, well, the shifter will be in park, but it'll say on the dash that it's in neutral. The problem is that your bushing here has come loose, and I've already taken stuff out, but there's a bushing right down there, and I've got the new bushing on, but that bushing breaks, and then in this thing right here can't shift the transmission. So what you have to do is you have to buy one of these things. It's a Dorman 14057 14057. I don't have my readers on. And there's 4 parts in there. There's 2 clear parts and there's 2 orange parts. And those 2 orange parts fit on there. And the trick to getting it on there right is to there's a bigger piece and a smaller piece that fits inside the bigger piece. You shove the larger piece up from the bottom first, and then you take the little smaller piece that fits inside of it, put it in from the top, and I had to cut a little notch out of it with just a razor knife, and then it clips down on there, and then it clicks down onto the metal thing sticking up, and it double clicks, so it should be on there good and solid. And in order to get to this, you have to take out just a couple things. First, you have to take off your battery cover, which is that thing. Just pulls right out. And then it would be smart to take this out. Just take 2 screws with I think it's an M25 or a T25. Takes those off. Get that out of the way. And then you just need an 8mm socket to take that off of there. And then you have to take this little electronic gizmo off of here. And all you got to do to get that off is just press this little button in right here. And it pulls right off of that thing. And then if you do all that, this thing will come out of there. Plus there's a little piece in the front of it that fits right in here, and all that's holding it in place is this little rubber thing. But anyway, the major trick that I'm trying to show in this video is that the 2 orange things, the larger one clicks in from the bottom. You kind of have to shove it through there, and then you click in there, or you push in the top part from the top, and I had to take a notch out of it. I have to take a little notch out of it, and then you click it down on there and it fits perfectly. And again, it's the Dorman OE-Fix 14057. But anyway, I watched several videos and they didn't show you how to put those orange things on there exactly right, and so I don't want to take it apart because it might not fit back on there as tight as it did, but that's the way you do it. Come in from the bottom with the larger piece, in from the top with the smaller piece that fits into it, and then click it down on there, and this will fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.